has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. The equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert sound. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Comes through. You get about 5 minutes to forward it. Otherwise, it'll just go through on its own. Just as only a test, as I'm about to tell you again. This is a required monthly test of the Riverside San Bernardino County Emergency Alert System. This test is originating from KHWY Barstow. If this were a real event, you should stay tuned to this station for additional information. This is only a test.
This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert sound. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.